So, hello again. This is the second part of parameters in Power BI, and today we will speak about how to make a template using parameters and share it with your colleagues, so make the changing of data source more speedy and more flexible. So to make this, we will start with going to our SQL database connector and select the connect to SQL server, and instead of writing manually our server instance, we will use ABC icon, and this is how we will create a new parameter to make it more dynamic for the data source service name. And we will start writing a name for this parameter and description if you wish, and then we will select the format, and it will be text here. You can leave it any, and then put the current value for the server, then OK, and by this you created the parameter for your source. So if we now click OK, of course you can do for the same for the database. It's an option, and make all parameterized. Now we will press OK. It's connected to our database, and now we will select our Adventure Works database and load it in our Power Query editor to examine the advanced editor syntax. And now you can see that it created here beside our table the parameter, and we can see here in the advanced editor it brought our parameter in the syntax of the connection. So that's okay, and that's fine. And for using this as a best practice, we shall now, after making our report and visuals, we shall now making an export for this report or this file in the shape of a template. So we shall wait until it's loading everything, and we will go to File, Export, Power BI Template. We will give it a description, OK, and we will save it on our desktop, give it a name. Okay, now we have our templates in our desktop. We can send it by email or share it by any means with our peers in the workplace. When he open it, it will give him the pop-up window. You see that he can put his own path of the data source. Of course, it should be the same structure of your database, but different server instance or server name path. So this is a quick trick and a quick handy way to make this more efficient in your collaboration environment. Thank you, and see you in other videos.